working on Take Home 4 for Excel. This time we're going to begin with Task 2, picking up where we left off. So this is the same data set. We're supposed to create a 2x2 table of counts. Alright, so let's see. We need some labels for this table. M&M. Nope, I'm sorry. Red. Not red. M&M. Smarty. Okay, so red, I got that number here. Not red, that's going to be this value minus the 21. Smarty, that's this value. Not red, that's the total minus the red. Okay, so there is my first table, and we'll make it pink. To do the expected values, we're going to have to calculate some counts, so I need a total here. So this plus this, and here. I need a total here. This plus this. Now I have the marginal totals figured out. Make this look a little prettier here. Center all that. Okay. Expected. So these are the observed. So we can go ahead and take this table. We don't really need the stuff inside it. What we need is just the values around it. So, okay, so the expected value will be equal to that number. I gotta pin down the 19 times this total, where I pin down just the G, divided by the overall total, which I pinned down completely. So that should give me expected counts, which I can copy in and down. I have the expected values. The test statistic. So this is expected here. So let's go ahead and copy this again. And change it now. We're going to calculate the test statistic, which it says what we need is the observed minus the expected squared divided by the expected. So we'll go ahead and do that 4 times, and we end up with our contributions here. So then I can say chi-squared equals the sum of those 4 values. That gives me a chi-squared value. Calculate the square of the test statistic in part 2C. So I need the number that was up here squared. And I need to compare that to this value. And then it says calculate the area to the right. So I need a p-value. This time I'll be using the chi distribution. From this point on, and it says to do it with 1 degree of freedom. So it says compare that to the p-value you found up here. So we can do that. And then finally it says, what is the difference between a two-proportion test and a homogeneity test? So is that, and I'll let you finish that statement, where you go ahead and explain to me how these two tests are different or not different from each other. And that completes task number 2 and the end of this video.